Amber, learning to drive.
I'm so excited today.
and so we had our first lesson a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
After, oh my God, how many times did you get called away? We're gonna do it then.
It's about 2 months of planning and rearranging. I'm so sorry.
No,
I'm so sorry.
It's being famous, isn't it? It's being
Internet famous, not actually famous.
Yeah, famous all over the place. Everybody wants your time, and then you got to fit in this horrible driving stuff. Horrible?
It's
No?
not horrible. I'm scared about it, but I'm enjoying it. It's like a good scared.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And we didn't scare you too much on the first lesson. did we?
You were great. I was scaring myself. You calmed me down. I was just terrified to be I didn't think I'd actually be driving in the first lesson. I think that's why. I thought it'd all just be, oh, here's how the car works, which is what we did as well. But the fact I was actually driving and there were other cars moving towards me, I just wasn't expecting that, and it scared me a bit.
Oh, but it went well, didn't it?
Yeah, I didn't crash. We're still here, so.
Okay, yeah. And studying for the theory test.
Just making lots of notes.
That's just good. And so, is it what you expected? What do you think of the driving? Just what do you think?
So I wasn't really sure what to expect because I've literally never ever driven before. So all I had to go off was what my friends told me. And even though I've only had one lesson so far, it's better than what I expected.
Great.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
So I remember some of my friends saying for like a few lessons they just didn't drive and it was just learning about the car and the mechanics. But I don't know if it's because we crammed so much into the first lesson. Like there was so much, it wasn't overwhelming. Like I could handle it, but there was so much information that I think then we got through that, and then it was time to go into the driving. So I think that's why I was so surprised. That I was impressed that we got through that, and then I actually had a chance to drive in the first lesson. I just really wasn't expecting that.
You did a couple of blocks. Yeah.
Yeah, I told my parents, they didn't believe me. I told them how scared I was.
We survived.
Exactly.
We survived.
They were like, did you hit anyone? I was like, no. Like, did you crash? I'm like, no.
Okay. All right, so today our objective is to do a bit more of that driving and to make it safer as well.
Yeah.
And I think the big objective now is to crash into that theory test stuff of yours. So
Yeah.
get that behind you, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
How's that?